Hey guys, this is Lucky and you're watching Lucky Jacko. So let's start with the video. But before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed our channel, so subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest video uploads notification. So let's start with the video. In this video, we're gonna talk about how you can create a group in the Telegram account. So in order to create the Telegram account and group in the Telegram account, you need to have the Telegram account. So I have the Telegram account, so I'm just opening it. I'm navigating these steps to you in the PC, but if you have the mobile phones, you can do so in the same thing. You can do the same navigation in the mobile phone also because there is no differences. So almost all the things are same with the look, with the navigations, with the features. So let's start. So to have that, you need to click on the three-line menu option here on the left side. So here I have clicked on the, and then you need to click on the new group. Then here you need to give the name to the group. So whatever the group you would like to name, then you can give here. So I'm giving the name as a my group, and then next here you have to add the members. Whatever the member you would like to add, you can do so. So currently I would like to add one member to that. So I'm just adding one members to that and just click on the create. So as soon as you click on the create button, you can see that the group has been created. Now you can simply send the messages in the group. Here you can do that. Okay, you can see that now you can send the message in the group, and if you want to manage this group, you can just simply click on here, and then you can click on here and then on the manage group. Then you can here change the group name also and do the other things also. So that's it for the video. You can see how we have created the groups in the Telegram account. So if you haven't subscribed yet, so subscribe our channel, like, comment and share the video. So till the time we'll meet again in the next video. Bye bye.